Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. So in today's video, I am going to show you an animated movie that I created using ChatGPT.
Shaf, along with his wife Reen and sister Parvin, arrived in Dhaka. Their son Rahman greeted them with open arms. It was a reunion full of warmth. The family took a much-needed trip to the beach. Waves crashed, laughter echoed, and footprints marked moments they wouldn't forget. After the vacation, Rahman noticed his father squinting more than usual. He gently suggested an eye checkup, a small step that opened the door to something much bigger. At the clinic, the doctor reviewed Shaf's ECG and paused. There was something unusual, something concerning. Further tests revealed 6 major blockages in Shaf's heart. The news weighed heavy on the entire family. In a quiet hospital hallway, surrounded by uncertainty, the family made their choice. Surgery was the only option. As Shaf was wheeled into the operating room, Parvin held his hand. Reen stood silently in prayer. Rahman did his best to stay strong. Hours later, Shaf opened his eyes. He was alive and smiling. Rahman and his son, Saif, were right there beside him. Back at home, the family gathered in the living room. With smiles, tea, and togetherness, peace returned. As the sun dipped below the skyline, Shaf and Rahman sat on the balcony, sipping tea in silence. 2 generations, 1 moment, and a heart finally at rest.
I created all the images using ChatGPT and then I animated the characters using Kling. So let me share the whole process with you. So the first thing that I did is I asked ChatGPT that I want to make an animated video about this story about a dad whose name is Chef and his son whose name is Rahman. So basically what I did is I gave each and every character a name. I gave them their age and I also gave them a summary of what the story would be. So after some time what ChatGPT did is it gave me a story, it gave me a narration style script, it gave me scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5 and so on and so forth. And as I asked for a moral of the story, they also gave me a moral of the story. First I asked them, I want you to create the 3D image of Chef. So one thing you need to keep in mind is the names that you give each character, you need to tell ChatGPT about those characters again and again or else they mess it up. So first they created a 3D image of Chef and then I asked to create a 3D image of Reen and so on and so forth. And the 3D image of Parveen, as you can see that the 3D image of Reen and Parveen is quite similar. And then I asked it to create different images of different people, but the pictures of females are quite similar. That's what I noticed. So after getting all the images, what I did is I asked it to break this into scene by scene image prompts for animation along with camera angles. I'm going to ask you to generate the images for me, so make sure you keep the character names properly. Now what ChatGPT did is it created different scenes but with different camera angles. So here are the 8 to 9 scenes, and now what I did is I asked it to create scene 1 in Pixar style. So this is the image they created. Now as you can see, the image didn't generate fully and I asked it to regenerate, and ChatGPT did quite a good job as it noticed that the bottom part of the image is cropped, like due to rendering constraints. And now in the second image, the image is completely different from the first one, but the second image it started giving texts. I asked ChatGPT, don't add text to any images, ratio should be 9:16 for all scenes, and the image he gave me is pretty good. So I asked for scene 2 and he gave me scene 2, and then I was not satisfied with scene 1. I asked him for scene 1 and then he kept giving me different scenes, and finally I liked what the scene 1 was, and then scene 2 and then scene 3, and then I was pretty much satisfied with all the scenes. But the scene 3 I asked it to regenerate as this one didn't go with my story, so you can ask it to regenerate and it will regenerate accordingly. And as you can see here, they put 2 kids in the image, so I asked ChatGPT that where did you get 2 kids in the image, and then it did its mistake and then he fixed the image properly. So after this I got all my images ready, and then I needed a voiceover script. So after I got the voiceover script, I downloaded this and then I went to ElevenLabs and then I generated the audio file. So the link to the ElevenLabs will be there in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And after that, I just went to Kling and I generated each image one by one, and then I got the video ready. So let me show you the images generated. This was the video file number 1. This is the video file number 2. This is number 3, number 4, 5, 6. So these are the images I got, and the video quality that Kling gave me was simply amazing. So yes, it is possible to generate images from ChatGPT, but the characters that you get is going to be somewhat, I would say, similar to one another. But if you can work around with it and keep asking ChatGPT to regenerate, I think you will get a proper output. And then all you have to do is you have to drag all of this in an editing software, and then if you want, you can add sound effects, and then it should be good to go. I don't think there should be any more problems. So I hope this video helped. Even ChatGPT does a good job if you can put your prompts properly, and you can generate animated videos. So let me know if this video helped, and see you in the next one. Bye.